You guys ready to present your findings to the coordinator here?
Yes.
She's gonna love you like they love all CRAs.
Yes.
What did you think of the CRA Academy so far, the internship?
It was good. I enjoyed it. Like I said, it's when you look at the job descriptions, it really makes sense after having the class and the test and everything. So.
Yeah, you know, you're the first one to say that, but I think of it, it makes sense. I don't know why it's been 3-4 years. No one said that yet.
Yeah.
Good job, Stephanie.
Thank you. Yeah, because when you look at the stuff, it makes sense with what they're requiring you to do. So.
No, hands-on training is nothing like hands-on training.
Nothing like it.
Yeah,
Even with the gloves.
Yes.
With the glove on this, see video 19 or 9.
Yeah.
And you can tell your friend it's real.
Yes.
Very real.
Yes.
So
yeah, the hands-on is like
hands-on is very nice to have a hands-on training that you know what you're doing, you know what you're going to face.
What do you think about oncology? Like, what did you expect of it, and what do you think now that you've seen the reality?
I like oncology, and I think it's gonna be a growing field in the future. And,
Always, unfortunately,
yeah.
It's good to have experience on that, you know. So,
and this results look promising. So, you liked. How about you for oncology?
I liked oncology. It's very detailed, but I feel like if you know oncology, then you can do everything else. So
Overwhelming.
Yeah, it is.
You've been doing this 2 days now. 2 days, the same study.
It is, but it's just the whole first time jitters. But I was telling him, as you get to working on different ones, then it'll be a little bit easier.
Yeah, once you get used to that, and then how to find it, know the language to use.
So the PI left, but we're going to talk to the coordinator now, or you guys will talk to the coordinator about your findings.
Okay.
And if you have questions for me, I'll be here too.
Okay.
And then you'll write the follow-up letter.
Okay.
I'll put it in Intralinks. Okay.
Alrighty.
Claire, they're ready for you. The CRA Academy students found findings. Okay, so they will explain it to you, and they're going to send you a follow-up letter.
Yes. All right. Yes. Okay, we have it.
Ready for this? This for plan to mention them. So, according to the report, it says it's been completed.
This one is 04, and it's just I went through the adverse event log, and I just actually had a question with the blurry vision. I saw it on a few times on there. Would that be a documentation for adverse?
We could add it on that.
Yeah, because the only reason why I saw it is because it came up a few times in some of it. So for the adverse, for the blurry vision. All right, and the SAE when he went to the hospital. I saw it on here, but it just didn't have anything listed. It was
the SAE log.
Yes. So it's on there. It's just it didn't have what
the name
of it. No adverse event log and no protocol schedule, and that was in the other ones. So I was just trying to keep consistent with the other ones. Oh, that needs to be initial and dated.
Can I take that?
Yeah. Yes. Perfect. That would help me out a lot.
That's action item. Take care of.
Yes, action item taken care of. Perfect. Yeah. That's it. That's all I got. That's all I got.
It's missing that drug administration notes on week 4.
Week 4.
Yes, administration notes. So,
Week 4?
yeah. And also missing the sheet on week 3.
What do you mean, drug admin? This is the drug admin. So this is what was administered?
This is the constitution, right?
Oh, okay. Infusion, you should be able to get it in the infusion record.
Infusion record.
Which is this one.
Okay.
So that.
Okay, so it's
And that's what you'll notice, and you'll get better the more you review this study remotely. The hard part is just figuring out where everything is your first few times. Then as long as the site, when Claire is a very good coordinator, is doing things the same way, it's good. Yeah, that's actually a good lesson for coordinators. Always print out, if you're using EMRs, progress notes for every visit and put in the source. Very good. Very important. That's right. So, Richard, how do you, as a CRA, these are job interview questions too. Let's say they ask you, hey, you ever been in a situation where a note to file was required, and what was it for? You know, this exactly this situation.
Okay, it's a notify. If you find something that's not on the folder, you make a note that this needs to be done.
Yes.
For the folder next week.
Because remember, you can't backdate.
Right.
Came back.
Right.
Come back there, yeah.
Well, what do you think? They're like real CRAs.
Yeah, I mean, but honestly, they all look good. It's just little minor stuff.
Yeah.
So, but it was. I think yesterday was very overwhelming because as soon as you put it down, I was like, "Oh my gosh, what are we supposed to do with this?"
And I never scanned the reg documents.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
So after that, yeah. So after that, I think I had to go home, regroup, and then that was that's what.
But today was easier, right?
Today was easier.
See?
Yeah. Yesterday was a little much, but I had to regroup, and I came in with a clear head. So
Good job, guys. Very good. We learned a lot of things.
Thank you.